Kembe. I know what you're all thinking, this all looks like a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something.
Are you recording?
Some of it is new junk as well.
Turn the phone the other way.
But we humbly call ourselves
This way.
the Gatherers. And it is our purpose to travel the galaxy in search of ancient relics. We look in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find there, we bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper might look around and see worthless clutter, but to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just help ensure our future. I'm assuming that we're all familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker.
Yes.
Yes, I hoped you would be. Well, we hear there is a new Jedi. Does everyone know her name?
Rey.
Rey, that's right. And what she has started is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. And that's why you're all here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with a force flowing between them both. Today you'll all feel that connection. But it's time, so let's begin. And we begin with perhaps the most important part of a lightsaber. Any ideas?
Kyber crystal.
That's exactly right, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. And you may all know this from some of the greatest Jedi stories throughout history. The blue crystal, for example, reveals a blue blade, like that of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and so we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. By many, it is called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes and picture it. Hold it in your mind. Which color calls to you? Which color do you see in your mind? Which color is yours? Open your eyes, everyone, and select your crystal. Very good, builders. We all have our crystals. If you haven't already, go ahead and place those crystals onto the green crystal holders that you see in front of you. My fellow gatherers are now coming round to prepare your boxes. The boxes with the same designs you previously chosen will then be pairing those designs with your crystals to create your hilt. Builders, the hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is your center of control, and it's also the part that stops your hands from being disintegrated, so quite important, really. In the boxes there, right in the middle, you have your emitter. The other end goes the pommel cap, that'll be with the grips on there too, and then right in the center the activation plates and the chassis in the middle. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your kyber crystal, you will now choose the individual elements that will make up your saber. The gatherers are all here to assist you. So let's build.
Welcome, travelers. I'm Emily. I'll be helping you guys.
we're going to start with our chassis. You're going to want to hold it with the lines up top. The compartment in the center is going to house your fiber crystals. The top of that compartment is springs that will help. I find the easiest way to do this is take a pointed end of your crystal up top, going at the center of the springy platform and pushing up. When it's incorrectly, it'll stay upright and low. If you need any help with this, you can hold it straight up for me. I'm just going to check that shape in it, make sure it's secure.
You can start with section 5, don't you like? Section 5, you can one set all the other.
Set of activation plates. Inside each plate in one of the corners will be red or the blue square. You're going to set up the red and the blue square on the side of the chassis. Your blue over top of blue, and red over top of red. Then your activation switch. White and blue. Each one is going to have a rim that's a little bit thicker on one side, that's going to go towards the center, and then push down as you switch, it'll kind of lock into place. So do the same thing on the bottom, so you're going to have one above and one below that activation does. So again, your activation switch, it'll be up to activate, down to deactivate, okay? So you do have to take a matching step on your,
Oh, all right.
so which one do you want to go with?
Very impressive indeed.
Yep, so you can't make a choice.
You
want to go with this piece or this?
The right choice is very impressive. I'll let you go that right one. This is wrong there. That's a strong choice, yeah. Greg, what colour crystal do you go with? Very nice. I like that crystal with that design. The bottom goes to crystal balance between the blue and the red, and then this design is almost balanced design. Also, nice Jedi. I think the two pair together really nice. Congratulations. Excellent.
Your activation, you got switch to it, and we just activate. It's like up to activate, down will deactivate, okay?
An excellent work there from the two of you. Classic Jedi design with a piece of justice and Sith design for power and control. Don't worry, there's one in every family. The traditional Sith design, is that why you chose it?
Yes.
Yeah, do you have a favourite of the Sith?
I really like Venture.
Okay, yeah, good choice. Very nice indeed. You'll be looking for a second one then, I'm assuming. Yes, very good. What colour crystal?
Purple.
Very nice, yeah, so there's hope for you yet. Yeah, that crystal of balance, it's a nice choice. And then Peace and Justice, the classic Jedi design. So do you have a favourite Jedi? No, you don't. Yourself. You're going to be your own favourite Jedi. I like that. What colour crystal? You went with blue. Very nice. The classic colour of a Jedi. So that works. Well, fine choices from you both. You'll have to keep this check. You're up to it? I think you are as well. Yes, well, fine work from the both of you. And excellent work with another of our classic Jedi designs there. Nicole, why did you go with Peace and Justice, my friend?
I just like the design of the Jedi. The hilt.
Do you have a favorite? We'll discuss a favorite.
I'm sorry?
Do you have a favorite Jedi?
Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan. You've got excellent choice. He's my favorite also. A color crystal for yourself?
Green.
I like that you followed your own path there. Well, with the crystal set, very important indeed. And my part Wookiee friend, thank you so much. Excellent choice. Why do you go with elemental nature?
Nature is cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
It reminds me of a rancor too.
It is a rancor too.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah, have you ever seen a rancor?
I hope not.
Oh no. Well,
I
actually,
look
it's...
forward to not seeing that.
Well, do you know who else liked the rancor too? The rancor. Yeah. Never mind. But excellent. I like that you parted it with the battle end there. And interesting enough, I see you carrying your lunch on your shoulder. It's a strange.
This is good friends I couldn't even.
What? What good is a pork if you can't eat it? What's your favourite way to eat pork?
Fried on bread.
Alright. Personally, I like pulled pork myself. My word for everyone, builders, go ahead and place a hand over your hilt. And feel that connection. Builders, you've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. Apart from the rancor, of course. But it's now time to leave those hilts where they are and everyone step back. You step back as this is the most dangerous part of the build. Those powerful kyber crystals can be volatile and not handled correctly. Gatherers are now moving on to place those hilts into the stabilization chamber. We've had mistakes during this stage in the past. In fact, we count the number of mistakes by the number of holes in the ceiling. We'd like to avoid adding to those if we can. We can now continue to... Wait, what's happening?
Many parts return now. Join the art. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take our first step. The final stage is upon us. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. Builders, on my signal you will come forward. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber, and together we will activate. Builders, are we all ready?
Yes.
Then come forward. Hand on your hilt, and activate. Good, now go ahead, builders, and raise your lightsabers. Builders, you have all built lightsabers, just like the Jedi and Sith who came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can complete you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your sabers, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath. In just a moment, I will dismiss you all individually, and you can collect your sheath as you leave the workshop. Unfortunately, our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. You're all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built today. Builders, raise your sabers and activate. Thank you all so much. My friend, you're going to lead us out. Congratulations, time to take your first step. Now forward and collect your seat.